Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. When it comes time to work out in the field on a vehicle or something, you got to check out this product from Toolbox Widget called the Grypmat. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. I love it when I find a great solution to a common problem. The problem with most breakdowns and when you're servicing something, whether it's a lawn tractor, your vehicle, a trailer, whatever, is it's not in a shop. You're in the field and all the surfaces around you aren't really kind to setting tools and parts. Things are sloped, slippery, or they're painted and they're delicate. So this product called the Grypmat, which is 100% silicone in a very bright color, they actually come in the greens or they come in orange, will solve the problem of organizing tools and stop things from sliding around. So let's open this kit and we'll show you what we mean. All right, so let's just open this up, very simply packaged, and boy, it just unfolds. So there is the Grypmat set. Let's get rid of the box. And what you're looking here at, notice right away, it form fits to where you're working. This is the quad set. So that is, there are 4 trays. The big one on the outer one, here's the next one right here, here's the next one right here, and the next one here. Here's the cool thing about it. They all nest inside of each other, but notice this one leaves a big one here for like an extension bar, a torque wrench, a socket wrench, anything like that that's bigger, but for smaller parts and for keeping things from sliding around. And if you're deep in the engine well and you need to drape it across the engine, which by the way, it works fine on a very warm engine, you can just go ahead and put things here and then provision it. So as parts come off and tools need to be set here, you can either simplify this or you can add additional trays back and forth. Now that's part of the really cool thing about this. Let's suppose though, I'm getting ready to go work on something. I can literally load the tools and the parts in this tray, fold it over and carry it to the job, unfold it, and everything's ready to go. And it's gonna drape and it's grippy. And notice that on a painted surface like this, it's still gonna grip without damaging anything. This is a really great idea that was invented by a veteran that was a mechanic on aircraft that got tired of trying to keep parts organized and having parts and tools slide off. He was the inventor of this and it's partnered with Toolbox Widget, and now this is part of their product line. There's one other cool thing, maybe a little hard to see here, but all of the trays have sizing charts, both in metric and SAE. So if you've got a bolt or some length of something, you want to know how long that is and you've picked up the right component, you can use the tool right there to make sure you got the right size. This is really spiffy. If you're interested in this set or other ones like it, these are available in this bright orange, a lime green, and also a gray. I like the high visibility because everything in it is contrasted, easy to see. And even in low light, right now it's getting late in the day, it's still very easy to see what's in the trays. If you're interested in one of these, visit toolboxwidget.com. And when you check out, use the promo code DirtFarmerJ. That's DirtFarmerJ. J is spelled out, J-A-Y, and you'll receive 10% off your order. Now here's the cool thing. Toolbox Widget makes a lot of other really cool things that organize tools in your workspace. Check out this episode where we give you an overview of many of the products they make. I'm sure you're gonna see something there you go, I gotta have that. Hey, until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerj.com.